If you run a high volume home services business, there's nothing worse than an appointment appearing on your sales calendar that never reaches your field team's schedule. A client reached out to us with a severe operational crisis. They were using GoHighLevel for AI intake and bookings and DripJobs for field management. But due to broken Zapier webhook, dates were shifting, client names were dropping, and field techs were missing appointments entirely. Their brand reputation was taking a direct hit. Instead of sloping on another patch, XortLogix engineering unit audited the end-to-end data pipeline. We rebuilt the entire schema, enforcing strict payload validation, fixing time zone conflicts, and engineering bi-directional webhooks. So when a field tech marks a job complete in DripJobs, high-level instantly updates the trigger native review sequences. Result: 100% calendar sync across platforms, zero missed appointments, zero manual data re-entry, operations runs out of DripJobs, marketing runs out of high-level, and both the platforms communicate with absolute data integrity. When your front-end marketing engine doesn't talk to your back-end operations, you bleed money and trust. If you're ready to lock down your multi-app infrastructure with a dedicated 70-member in-house team, click the link below and book an architecture audit with XortLogix today.